We like to call it breaking news. We were going to go to viral video with Casey, but when you have a very special guest come out to join you out at the site of the Extreme Makeover, you stop the presses and go out to Jennifer, right?
Yes, you do. We want to send it out to Jennifer right now to a surprise.
Look who we have here. You guys recognize this gentleman? The host of Extreme Makeover Home Edition. He just happened to walk out here in the street, of course, saying hello to everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by and chatting with us.
Well, I'm glad to be here. Glad to do it. Yeah, it was an awesome day, incredible day. So it's been, wow. I mean, Savannah has just poured the love out, you know, and like to bring these guys home to a community that's embraced them, and to have SCAD involved this week, and to have all the volunteers, and our builder's been phenomenal, and look at the house. It's just like so beautiful. So it's been just a great week.
And you're a Georgia boy, so we like having you here.
Yes, sir. I'm a Georgia boy. No, yeah, raised in Atlanta, and just, I mean, love Savannah. Such a charming town. So got a lot of friends here as well. So yeah, it's good to be. Well, it's good to be home.
Yeah, sure.
So tell us, your schedule has got to be one that's a little bit challenging. You go from house to house. I mean, what's next? I mean, you're going 24 hours a day, basically, right?
Yeah. Well, challenging is really the schedule is pretty tough. Not only the schedule we try and build a house in, but yeah, because sometimes I'm all over the place. But let's just say, you know, we try and do extreme things.
Yeah. And if you had to pick one thing with the Simpson family here that touched you the most, what would that be?
What? Honestly, you guys will have to wait for the show, but I mean, we did some amazing things this week. Not only building a house, but giving this family the tools they need to sort of. I mean, he really is sort of a miracle with what all he's battled, and so, but to see like him, I mean, let's just say that we gave him the tools they need to really expand on his future. And tonight we saw something that, I mean, it's just hard to believe that he could actually do. But it just goes to show you that no matter what obstacles are put in front of you, you know, if you believe, you know, you can overcome anything. So I think that's sort of what this week's been like, but it was awesome. I mean, I wish I could tell you more, but you sort of have to tune in to see, because it's just fantastic.
And it was great for us, too, because we've been doing stories with the Simpson family for the past couple of years with Miracle Baby Zoe. So to see this kind of come full circle for them a couple years later was amazing for us as well. So thank you guys so much for being here, and thanks for stopping by and chatting with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
All right, thanks so much. All right, Jesse and Lindsay, we managed to get him.
Congratulations to you guys.
Yeah, but you know what? You guys are slacking. I want the Simpson family at 11 o'clock. No kidding, right?
On the dot.
Seriously.